come with me to get in a taxi and go home. So I actually forgot something and I have my bag with me so because I need to go grab something back in my classroom. So I'm just gonna go back into my classroom. So I got my classroom now and I'm gonna lock it again and go down the stairs. Okay, it's locked. Now we're gonna slide out of the door because as you can see we're still in class. Okay, I'm gonna go down the audio right now. Okay, so now I need to wait for my feet to come. But yeah, we're gonna sit. We're gonna wait for my transport to come. Guys, it's been 30 minutes and I think my transport has come now. So we're just gonna walk around the corner. Oh wait, I see the call coming. Let's go. Okay, good evening. Yes. There we go. Yes, okay. Come on, let's go. Okay, so I just put my bag there opposite so that I don't get confused. But yeah, I think it's time to go. So we're gonna go home now. But yeah, we're gonna quickly just go home. So yes, okay, yes, thank you, guys. It's time for me to come into my house. I'm coming. Coming. One sec. Okay, we're inside. I'm gonna put my bag. As you can see, my baby sit down, and now it's time to go inside and get my mom. And the kitchen, I guess my brother see me, but I unlocked my door. So yeah. Okay. Thank you. So yes, guys, that's it for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.